yeah, we're wrapping up this Chicago Suburban Fishing Club, Chicago Fishing School. One more for the count. There we go. And fishing was kind of slow, but we will weigh in some fish and count some fish. I promised that I'd record it. Here we go. Let's pull the
cap first.
Yeah, let's grab the carp. So the way to do this is keep the stake out so nobody gets screwed in the way. Yeah. We'll park that right there. And then when you get the fish, we're gonna swim them to the entrance. Yeah. So you swim them to the entrance, that way you don't get them stuck. A lot of weight stuck on that, yeah? Here, let's hold this up for the camera. A couple of bigger fish going in. They might.
Hold on the bucket, please. Hi.
It's popping. So there's a couple of the fish. Whoops, there goes the scale. I'm sure it's going to be accurate now. So yeah, a couple fish, nothing huge. A couple small carp. This one was medium. There you go. Not too shabby. So it'd be just right, touching 5. The bucket's zeroed out, so maybe we'll call it 4 3/4. And we'll let these guys go.
Can I have one?
You wanna let it go?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so hold it right here. They're gonna be perky.
I would take this
You wanna take that one? Tip it. Don't use your arms to catch it. Okay.
Put the finger.
So put your finger in the mouth so that it's so slippery that if it starts to slip, it'll jump out, slam on the ground. So if you put your finger in the mouth, it keeps it from slipping out. And you put weight forward on it, that way you can get it back. So I've seen people drop them. When you drop them, it turns over and it'll like puncture your arm. There's a serrated point on it.
Right.
2 of them. One on the bottom, one on the top. So whatever direction it's falling, that will knife in. Yeah. All right, let's pull these guys out. We'll weigh this. So 4 3/4 pounds on the big fish. We tried. I went 4 for 2 for 4. A couple I lost. That's a nice sound. So yeah, we just take this in, and we're going to kind of keep them wet. And then ride them all up, make sure there's none up there. Ride them all up. We'll get to the last section, and then we'll pour them in there. Let's go over dry land. Get the bucket handle. Feels all right? That's why usually we come up on dry land, because there's stuff all over the place. Let's get a weigh in and then we'll count them as we go. All right. Let's see. They felt a little heavier. I'll say it's like exactly the same. We'll call that 5 pounds. So 4 3/4 and 5 pounds, and then let's count them out.
Where's the minnow?
Put you. This was the big
Minnow.
golden shiner. Yep. You want to throw that?
This is the one.
We had 4 fish
There's
that.
the catfish.
Oh, the catfish. Yep. Golden shiner.
For the no.
And then.
You don't want that.
Oh yeah, he's spiky though. Watch it. So
That's first.
watch out, you're gonna get.
You know, just put it in.
Yeah, full-head catfish. So that'll be number 6. Yeah, I'm not even gonna hold him up. There you go. Get over. Oh, he's stuck. It's like playing darts. Here, I'll get him. He's stuck. That could be my hand. All right, here we go.
Oh, Jesus.
So that's 6, yeah? So just start throwing and counting.
7. Ah, they have more spikes.
8, 9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
20, 21,
23,
24, 25,
25,
26, 27,
28, 9,
30,
1.
32, 34,
What?
5, 36, 38,
39,
the hybrid,
40,
40, 41, 42, 33, 35, 37,
8,
39, 50, 51 fish. Well, 2 that were not so way short of our goal. It was a little bit slower, but there you go. What was that? About 9.5 pounds of fish caught in 4 hours. So there you go. There's your weigh in. What else we got?
He's still breathing, but he's not swimming.
Oh, just throw him far. So sometimes it'll wake him up.
He's not dead.
That's all right. The seagulls will eat. Okay, so about 9.5. We'll call it 9.6 pounds in 4 hours. There's your weigh in and count. What was it? 51 fish. We thought it must be hot out here. We thought we were up in the 60s. So 51 fish. All right, we'll see you next outing. Also, somebody brought this sweet fish locator. So a Lowrance, an old Lowrance, so that's good. We're gonna get to fishing class, float museum. I will see you guys